Broadcast, and this is about the FCRA bill. This is what we are picking up from our sources. So according to sources, the Congress and the TMC are seeking withdrawal of FCRA. The opposition is demanding withdrawal of FCRA and pushing for it, but the government is yet to commit on FCRA withdrawal. FCRA, as far as the FCRA is concerned, government says at the moment it's non-committal. Opposition is seeking withdrawal. So let's go across to Mohit for more on that. Mohit, there is a political face-off happening over the FCRA bill as well. So Congress and TMC, according to sources, now wants FCRA to be withdrawn, but the government is not giving any commitment on what's to happen next. I think we've lost that line with Mohit. We'll try and connect with him again. There's another political face-off which is brewing over the FCRA bill. Constant sloganeering ruckus inside the parliament. Remember, the opposition demanded a statement from the Home Minister. Government has given assurance that why just a statement? Let's have a debate, a discussion on students' protest and every aspect, in fact, every aspect and issue related to the students' protest. Now, Rahul Gandhi outside the house has said that he does not want any fancy speech from the Home Minister. At one point, the opposition also said that the Home Minister should take responsibility and step down. Let's go across to Mohit, who's getting us more details. Mohit, amid all the ruckus and sloganeering over discussion on and demand rather on a discussion and Home Minister's statement as far as the student protest is concerned, we're now given to understand that Congress and TMC are seeking a withdrawal of FCRA bill, but the government has not said anything on it. There's no commitment from the government on what will happen next.
In fact, the top sources within the government and within the BAC of the Rajya Sabha have confirmed to us that the Congress party and the TMC, they want complete withdrawal of FCRA. They do not want it to be sent to the JPC. So this is something which is very big. Earlier, there were demands coming in from the opposition that either the bill should be sent to the JPC or it should be withdrawn. But now the Congress party and the TMC have made it clear that this bill should be withdrawn. Now, this comes at a time when the DMK earlier has said that this bill could be sent to the JPC, and the sources also say earlier the TMC was saying that the bill should be sent to the JPC, but now they have said that the bill should be completely withdrawn, and same is the case with the Congress party. Now, according to the sources, the government has not said anything on this particular issue. Government has clearly stated that we will tell you what's happening at an apt time. Nothing has been promised to the opposition parties by the government. Now, as we speak, again, amidst the ruckus, the parliament is functioning. The tribunal bill has been taken up in the Rajya Sabha, but then when it comes to the FCRA, we still don't know whether that will be brought in or not. And also, Swati, one important point today, the BAC of the Rajya Sabha met, and the three bills like mining and minerals corporation.
All right, Mohit, stay on with us. I'm given to understand that the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister is speaking. We are cutting live.
शाह जी की ओर से प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि राष्ट्रीय सहकारी विकास निगम विधेयक 2026 पर विचार किया जाए।
प्रश्न ये है कि विधेयक पर विचार किया जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में है वो हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य विरोध में है वो ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ। विधेयक पर विचार करने का हेतु प्रस्ताव को स्वीकृत किया गया। अब सभा विधेयक पर
Proceedings continue amid sloganeering and ruckus. Just a short while back, the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister was addressing the House. We'll get you more details on that. It's day 17 of the monsoon session. All that we've witnessed so far is protest, placards and adjournments. And not just inside the House, there has been similar high drama unfolding outside the House, outside the Parliament as well. Today, in fact, at Makar Dwar, there was a protest versus protest scenario where NDA MPs and the opposition MPs were seen raising slogans against each other. The NDA MPs, in fact, hit out at Rahul Gandhi, holding placards asking Rahul Gandhi to answer. Rahul Jawab Do, Rahul Mat Bhago. That was the message of the NDA MPs for Rahul Gandhi. They, in fact, also questioned the hypocrisy and the double standards, as per them, of Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party when they raised the issue of why isn't Rahul Gandhi going to Jharkhand, to Ranchi, just the way he protested outside the Prime Minister's residence in Delhi on the Jantar Mantar issue. Why isn't similar outrage being witnessed or expressed by the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi in Jharkhand, in Ranchi as well? Both sides, in fact, questioning each other's intent. The opposition hitting out at the government, saying that we want nothing less than an apology from the Home Minister At one point, the opposition also demanded the resignation of Home Minister. Rahul Gandhi now says that they don't want a fancy speech from the Home Minister. They want the Home Minister to answer one simple question: who ordered police brutality? Who ordered pellet guns to be fired? Who ordered lathi charge on the students who were protesting at Jantar Mantar in the national capital? So opposition says we want the Home Minister to just answer this one simple question and take responsibility. Let's take a look at what transpired at Makardwar today, the protest versus protest scenario that unfolded.
पहली बार मैंने देखा है कि सरकार के एमपी प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, तो इतना तो हमने मजबूर कर लिया है इनको। अब आए स्टेटमेंट दें। तो होने तो मुझे क्या
सर, आपको लगता है मैम, लगता है क्या राहुल जी डर रहे हैं अमित शाह का सामना?
शर्म करो राहुल गांधी, शर्म करो, शर्म करो, शर्म करो।
राहुल जी ने झारखंड के
झारखंड जाइए,
छात्रों
झारखंड क्यों नहीं गए? जो प्रियंका जी बोली, जो मुझे सुनाई दिया, बोले कि भाई राहुल गांधी तो कर रहे हैं, तो मैंने इनको जवाब दिया कि राहुल गांधी झारखंड क्यों नहीं गए? कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के बीच में स्टूडेंट के प्रति सिंपैथी जगाते, वहाँ झारखंड में उनकी सरकार है, वहाँ स्टूडेंट को मार रहे हैं, इनको पे लाठी चार्ज करा रहे हैं, और वहाँ क्यों चुप है? वहाँ पे पेपर लीक हुआ है, भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है, नौकरियों में भ्रष्टाचार हुआ, वहाँ पे खामोश क्यों है? तो मैंने इनको ये पूछा,
तो उन्होंने कुछ कहा फिर आप?
नहीं, बिना जवाब दिए चले गए। इन्होंने जवाब मेरा नहीं दिया और बिना जवाब दिए वहां से भाग दिए, चल दिए।
So the opposition has made it absolutely clear that they are not going to back down. In fact, multiple leaders in the opposition camp hitting out at the government seeking accountability. Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress party's chief, and also the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha said there's a 3-point demand that we want from the government. Number one, that the Home Minister should come to Parliament. Number two, there should be clarification on who ordered pellet guns to be fired at students, who ordered lathi charge on students at Jantar Mantar. And number three, Mallikarjun Kharge says, we are seeking an apology from the government, from the Home Minister and Prime Minister. Akhilesh Yadav, on the other hand, the Samajwadi Party chief, said that there is a link between what transpired at Jantar Mantar and the issue of Chanda Chori as well. Remember, that's an issue that Mallikarjun Kharge also spoke about. The opposition also wants a discussion on Chanda Chori. Akhilesh Yadav says that whether it's Jantar Mantar or Chanda Chori, there is no accountability. This government does not want accountability to be fixed. Let's listen in.
हमारे 3 मुद्दे पहले से ही है। एक तो स्टूडेंट के ऊपर जो लाठी चलाई, गोली चलाई, ये सब किसने किया, एक। और दूसरा क्या है, आपने इसके बारे में सदन में आके एक हमको बताइए कि कौन ऑर्डर दिया और कैसा हुआ।
दोनों मुद्दे एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं और समय गुजारना, ये बात जो आज कही जा रही है, एक हफ्ते पहले भी कही जा सकती थी। एक हफ्ते पहले क्यों नहीं की गई? क्योंकि वो चर्चा ही नहीं करना चाहते। चर्चा के साथ साथ प्रभु राम जी का भी नाम नहीं लेना चाहते हैं। जब चंदे की बात आएगी तो सदन में हम सब प्रभु श्री राम जी का नाम लेंगे, उसका भी नाम नहीं लेना चाहते हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग।
So on those attacks from the opposition came in the counters as well from the government representatives, from the NDA MPs, who said that the government wants to have a discussion. We are willing to accommodate the demand of the opposition. Let's have a discussion inside the house on student protest and everything related to that. But the government has now blamed Rahul Gandhi. They are targeting Rahul Gandhi, saying it's Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, who actually does not want a debate on this issue. Listen in.
We are protesting because Mr. Gandhi, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Congress party is not letting us speak in the parliament. They are not participating in the debate. When Honorable Home Minister is ready to reply in the House, why is the Congress party running away from the debate? I can assure you today, the way they have done it in the past, when Prime Minister spoke, they ran away from the Parliament. And earlier also, Home Minister spoke, they ran away from the Parliament. And even today, when he's ready to reply, they are not. The Congress is not ready to come to the House. So the issue is, they have held the Parliament to ransom. On the other hand, when the students in Jharkhand, the youth of Jharkhand is on the street,
for their demands. They are not heard properly, and their lathi charge. And look at the kind of violence being used by.
Well, earlier we also saw visuals of the Mangal Milan, show of unity and nationalism. The Prime Minister was welcomed with the waving of Tiranga in that room. The Congress party, however, continues to mount pressure on the government, continues to ask one simple question. Who ordered lathi charge and pellet guns to be fired on the student protesters at Jantar Mantar? Listen into this reaction coming in.
सीधा सवाल, जवाब दो गृह मंत्री जी कि इन छात्रों पे कील लगी लाठियां किसने चलवाई? जवाब दो, पिलेट्स गन किसने फायर करा है? जवाब दो, बेगुनाह लड़कियों का अपमान क्यों किया गया? जवाब दो कि आपने सदन का 3 सप्ताह तक आप क्यों नहीं है? प्रधानमंत्री जी, चंदा चोरी हुआ, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आपको सौंपा था ट्रस्ट बनाने के लिए, आप ही के लोगों ने चोरी की है, तो जवाब तो आपको देना ही होगा।
So that is the stand taken by the Congress and the opposition camp, asking questions of the Home Minister, seeking clarification on who ordered lathi charge and who ordered pellet guns to be fired at the student protesters. They want the Home Minister to come to Parliament and issue that clarification, that statement. Now the government says and has given an assurance that the government does not just want to give a statement, they want a proper discussion and debate to take place on the issue of student protest.